Today I'll be showing you how to create 3D bloom flowers using only two colors. So let's get started. First I'm mixing resin. When you mix resin, make sure to mix thoroughly to avoid any sticky spots. For this coasters I have chosen 4-inch round mold. Now I am spraying some rubbing alcohol. Then pouring the clear resin into molds, filling them little more than half. Now I am taking this Beyond ink in the shade blush, adding a few drops into center of each mold. You can choose the amount of drop as per your liking. If you want more intense color, then add more than 2 drops, and if you want a softer look, then 2 drops is enough. After that I am using this white ink and adding a drop into the center of the blush ink. Now after waiting for several minutes, I am dividing resin into 2 cups in equal amount. Then mixing white ink in 1 cup and blush ink in 2nd cup, and also adding a tinge of pastel pink opaque color in blush ink. And now I am going to use this plastic pouch as a cone. I am adding white in this like this, and now I'm cutting the tip of this with scissor. And then I'm creating 3 or 4 circles with this. Okay, after creating circles in both molds, I'm going to repeat the same process with the other shade. So now for the other shade or blush ink, I'm not using this pouch because I'm more comfortable with the cup itself. So I'm creating circles directly with the cup. And if you are new to the channel and interested in resin art, then don't forget to subscribe to channel for more resin art videos. After creating circles, I am going to create petals of flowers using a toothpick. So now first I am going outward to inward. Then inward to outward like this. Now swirling the center a little bit. Okay, the petals have been created. Now I will let it sit for 24 hours to fully cure. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own resin art. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.